I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and welcome aboard Goose. Goose is a 2023 Back Cove 39.0. She's practically brand new with less than 70 hours on her triple Mercury 400 Verados, and the boat is in impeccable condition, as you would imagine. I love the colors that the owner picked on this boat, and I'm going to take you on a walkthrough tour, show you everything about the boat, all the upgrades that he's done, massive electronics package on this boat, FLIR, all the good extra features. So I'm going to take you through the boat now, and let's go take a look. All right, here we are on the dock in New London, Connecticut, taking a look at Goose. I love the color scheme. She's got the gray stone metallic hull color. It's like a medium gray with the silver Cove stripe, white boot stripe, and black bottom. And then the gray stone non-skid, really modern looking boat here. Instead of the typical flag blue that we see all the time. You can see the color. It's an overcast day today, so she looks a little darker than what she does on a bright sunny day, but really cool color combination here. She's got the Mercury 400 Verados here. Got them trimmed down so you can't really see the nameplate on there. Coming in here to the cockpit, got the boat all opened up. One of my favorite features of the 39.0 is opening this Salon area into the aft cockpit. It's just a really special open air. This is what you're seeing on a lot of modern boats with the galley up. This is our big open entertaining space. Have lots of friends out here. Beautiful custom stainless steel pedestal folding table there. And I love the gray Sombrella canvas with the striped tops, add a little texture out here. We've got 110 and 12 volt charging outlets there, as we're used to on all the back coves. Nice big walk-arounds. Take a look. And quick stainless steel windlass. We've got the Ultra anchor with the flip swivel. This owner's a very experienced cruiser, knew exactly what he wanted with all these features. This center window does open up electrically, and up top there you can see the big upgraded FLIR system, Garmin enclosed array radar, and all of our other connectivity features there. And coming into the salon to port, we've got this raised U-shaped settee. It's just humongous up here. Great place to hang out, or that can be another berth as well. And large single basin sink here to port. This does have a filler piece, dual burner Kenyan electric stove. And then we've got the Cuisinart convection oven. There's storage all over the place. Trash and recycling. Just got really good access to everything here. And up top, we've got our, it's a little hard to do one-handed here, but the Samsung flat screen TV opens up so you can watch from the settee here. Really clever hideaway feature there without an electric lift. These side windows are new and improved from Back Cove. Really nice, easy to open sliding windows here. Quite smooth. Give you some fresh air at the helm. We do have the overhead hatches here, one on each side, with the mosquito and blackout, so bug and blackout shades. And then, as I mentioned, on the outside we do have the electric opening center window here. Big Garmin electronics suite, all the bells and whistles here. Side power bow thruster. We've got the Mercury JPO joystick with skyhook feature and the autopilot integrated. This is my favorite outboard joystick. Works extremely well. All types of great features on here. We've got the FLIR camera, backup cameras, all of the nice bells and whistles here, and we can kind of go through them all here. Mass camera, I can go to the FLIR, and this is like an amazing camera. You can see how clear it is. Pretty similar. If there's any light at all, it's pretty tremendous night vision that you get on this. And looking over here, this is our mercury gauge. Can pull up the hours. You see she's just under 70 hours. Zip wake trim tabs, the mercury throttle control. We've got our 3 engine keys, water and fuel alarm, and then over here we've got the Vesper VHF radio, which also has a bunch of other features. The AIS is included in that, and some connectivity as well. The dual LeBrock Helm seats, love these. These are very adjustable. We do have 2 drawer fridges here. One here, one back aft. And then this owner's chosen to do the freezer down here. Turn the light on for us here. So we do have another drawer freezer, and then we've got systems access, and of course a bunch of storage down there as well. Diamond plated steps down there, really easy to access. While I'm down here, we can see our Fireboy fire extinguisher and the battery switches over there. Nice and open to below. We've got some breakers here, the Fisher Panda generator, remote control switch, and then our Fusion Bluetooth radio. And then there's the Samsung TV, which this would be my preferred place if I'm gonna sit and watch a movie. Really nice little settee down here. You can see the TV there nicely. And then just aft here, I've got a beautiful double twin berth. I've got a hanging locker, cedar lined hanging locker here, climate controlled. This has access to the head. I'll show you from the master first. Here we've got our large boat queen with the cherry battens lining the hull sides there. Really nice warm feel in here. Cedar lined hanging lockers to port, and then we've got the drawers in here. Here's all my bug nuts for the portholes. And coming into this massive head area. Tecma toilet, basin sink, not the full bowl sink. It's a nice little unit there. And then of course the full stall shower. And then for our taller folks, we do have, this is on a hinge, so you can hinge it up. It's very nice for people of all heights to use the mirror in here. And then of course our, Jack and Jill access here for whomever's sleeping out here on the twin berths or up in the salon. And we'll head back, and this is normally the part of the walkthrough tour where I show you the mechanical space. We do have a day access here through this hatch. And of course, since we have these 3 outboards back here, we don't need room for a big diesel. So this hatch opens up. I've got my finger on the switch here, giving me access to this massive storage area. I mean, you can let your imagination kind of run wild with what you could fit in here. Those 4-pack of life jackets give you a little sense of the space down here. I mean, you could fit a fully blown up aluminum hull dinghy down here, it looks like. But we've got our Fisher Panda generator there, nice storage locker, and then there's some systems access outboard. I mean, obviously stand-up paddle boards, folding bikes, or full-size bikes. Really, you could fit whatever toys you could imagine that you want to bring with on your cruising down here. Work out really well. And again, this switch is just right here. Really nice mount for that. And while we're over here, I do have my shower, my deck shower here. Just a very cool boat. I absolutely love this graystone metallic hull color. It's fantastic, has sort of a pearl shade to it, and changes colors at sunset, overcast, a bright sunny day. Very cool. Thank you for watching this walkthrough tour of Goose. If you have any questions about this Back Cove 39O, please feel free to reach out to me directly with my contact information below the video. Thanks for watching.